In Maryland, every year, about a third of every homeowner gets a property tax bill assessment. Now, based on that, they pay taxes for the next 3 years, and those taxes directly fund local budgets. But this winter, the state ran into a big problem. 100,000 properties did not get their new tax bill, and the deadline to correct it has passed. So that's roughly $31 million lost this year that would have gone to county and town budgets and, unless corrected, continues for 2 more budget cycles. So in the DMV, Prince George's County had the most lost assessments with more than 16,600. And not far behind, Montgomery County had more than 9,800 lost property valuations. How this hits their budget, officials say they don't know yet, but Prince George's County Council Chair Jolene Ivey told me they can't spare any dollars in their next budget.
I mean, we're already having a budget deficit that we're dealing with in Prince George's County of $171 million. That's without having this issue.
So what happened? Well, according to the State Department of Assessments and Taxation, or the SDAT, the vendor that sends out the bills had an error in their process, and that error resulted in more than 100,000 assessments not getting mailed. The vendor, Baltimore's League for People with Disabilities, has sent out those assessments for a decade without any issues like this. So we reached out to the organization for comment, but we've not heard back yet. The SDAT does say the vendor will send out updated bills in the coming weeks. But for that to be legal, the SDAT has to work with the General Assembly in Annapolis to extend the deadline for those new assessments.
The good news is that this can be fixed, and our leadership in Annapolis has got it in hand. They're going to make sure this is taken care of.
Leaders in Montgomery County sent us a statement with a similar sentiment. So now it looks like it's a last-minute tax issue for Annapolis to tackle. Matt Gregory, WUSA 9.